Hey there, this is a short video explaining how to generate new sales, secure more leads, and ultimately bolster the bottom line of your business through the power of visual storytelling. Here at Dragonfruit Media, we grow businesses and personal brands by leveraging the second most heavily trafficked website in the world, YouTube. We're not talking about YouTube ads here though. Anyone can do that. We're talking about something much more powerful, organic audience building through strategic video content marketing. At its core, the YouTube algorithm is simple, reaching more organic audiences. That second concept, called video retention, is where our editing magic comes into play. If you have quick cuts and zooms that keep the frame constantly shifting, elegant high quality B-roll of images and videos, full screen animations that help illustrate your point, like if I said pink elephant, you'd see a pink elephant. Finally, text effects, maybe they fly across the screen or words pop up in interesting ways, all with sound effects of course. And then organic promotion can be combined with email and social media distribution, and boom, you're connecting, communicating, and converting more intimately and more efficiently than ever before. All without having to deal with any video production logistics because we take care of it all. Organic YouTube native content is the future of marketing, so don't miss your opportunity to ride the wave. Shoot us an email and schedule a free 30-minute consultation today.